Hey, it's Lorna, and in this video I'm going to show you my client's hair that's grown for the past 10 weeks. So I'm taking the weave out and starting all over again. So what you're doing here is snipping all the threads along the top section of the weft, making sure you don't touch any of your client's own hair. Move it if you need to. Make sure you do it somewhere there's loads of light. Also take your time. The last thing your client wants is losing any of their own hair. So now you're going to get your pliers to open the micro rings into circle shapes. So they just slide off their hair, leaving no damage. Never pull at them, just make sure they're coming off nice and easy. So you want to gently brush the hair through, making sure it's all silky smooth, getting rid of any build-up products and any dead hair at all. Ready for your new extensions to go back in. So now you are creating a new platform for your refit. Using the silicone-based micro rings, you want to use a colour that is close to the colour of your client's hair. This helps disguise them in the hair, making sure nobody knows you're wearing hair extensions. The other tool that you're using is called a loop needle threader pulling hook tool. You're taking small sections of the hair, about 1 cm square sizes. Make sure when you place the micro ring, it's not pulling on your client's hair, it should be sitting flush with her head. So you're going to hold the hair extensions in place with section clips. You can move them about if they get in the way of the thread. When threading the needle, make the length of the thread about 100 cm long. This is to make sure it lasts the whole way around the head. With the threading, you're going to use a technique called a blanket stitch from start to finish on top of the platform you have just created using your micro rings. Make sure you go under and you're grasping the gathered hair. At your start position on threading and the end position, make sure you triple knot the thread just to make sure it's secure and won't come loose at all. So after triple knotting the thread, cut the thread a few inches away from the roots and then do another couple of ties just to make sure it's nice and secure, and then you're going to just snip the thread just right in at the roots, keeping it all nice and tight and tidy into the head. As you can see here, I am chopping into the hair. My client doesn't like it to be a straight cut, just so it looks as natural as possible. Here I am using my Cloud9 hair straighteners to do tight curls, as my client wants the curls to last her the next couple of days. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. My next video is going to be how I created this makeup look for the Confetti Awards. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Give me a big thumbs up for this video, that would be brilliant. Even share it if you like. And please subscribe to my channel. Loads more to come. Big love.